Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix unmountable boot volume error on Windows 11. So let's get started. If you have a blue screen with the unmountable boot volume error on your Windows 11 PC, don't worry. I will show you the steps to get your system up and running again. Method 1. Reboot and check for the error again. Before we start, it's important to disconnect all external devices from your PD and reboot check for the error again. Method 2. Use Windows Automatic Repair. First up, you'll need a Windows installation boot disk. Once you have your boot disk ready, go ahead and insert it into your PC, then press the power button to turn on your PC, then immediately press the F1 or delete key repeatedly to open the BIOS. Now you will need to adjust the boot order to boot from the USB device. Let Windows start from your USB drive until it loads up, then click the next button. You'll see the Install Now screen, but you don't want to reinstall Windows. Instead, click Repair Your Computer in the bottom left. Select Troubleshoot and you'll open page of advanced options. Choose Startup Repair from here. Windows will run an automatic repair that will hopefully take care of your issue. Once it's done, exit the installer and try to boot your computer normally. If Windows still shows an unmountable boot volume error, after this continue to the next method. Method 3. Repairing the Windows using command prompt. First, boot from Windows 11. Install USB drive. You'll see the Install Now screen, but you don't want to reinstall Windows. Instead, click Repair Your Computer in the bottom left, then troubleshoot this time on the Advanced Options screen. Choose Command Prompt. Here you'll perform a series of commands, which I'll list down here. This will repair the damaged file system and solve your issues. After you've done this, close the command prompt and try booting Windows normally. And that's how you can fix unmountable boot volume error. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please comment down below us and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.